Welcome to the channel. Today we'll explore the best tools and software for creating a personal digital twin, tailored to different skill levels. From beginners with no technical experience to programming experts, there are options that will allow you to automate tasks, simulate processes, and improve your productivity. The image highlights the three main categories: basic, intermediate, and advanced tools that if you are looking for the perfect solution for your needs. Stay until the end of the video. Microsoft Power BI, ideal for sales, marketing, and customer service employees looking to visualize data, such as daily performance. An example might be an interactive dashboard showing conversion rate and response time. Its benefits are that it is very easy to integrate with Excel and has a user-friendly graphical interface. Zapier and Make. These tools allow automating workflows between applications such as Google Sheets and Slack, saving time on repetitive tasks. For example, an administrative worker can schedule emails automatically. Tableau, designed for data analysts and managers who need to create advanced simulations, such as sales forecasts. An example can be a visualization that evaluates the impact of marketing strategies. Its main benefits are its flexibility in visualizations and connectivity with multiple data sources. Microsoft Excel with Power Query, ideal for regular Excel users who want to automate data analysis without learning new tools. Its major benefit is its gradual learning curve and efficient automation. KNIME, an open-source option to perform advanced analytics without programming, perfect for creating basic predictive models. Python, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow recommended for data analysts and data scientists who want to create highly customized digital twins and advanced predictive models. MATLAB and Simulink. Mainly used in engineering, these programs allow simulating physical systems and controlling variables in real time. Their main benefit is their high accuracy for industrial processes. Apache Kafka, ideal for IT professionals who need to monitor systems in real time and generate automated alerts, as in predictive maintenance. Consider your skill level and the goals you want to achieve with your digital twin. This image summarizes the pros and cons of adopting personal digital twins. Investing in learning not only improves your productivity, but also prepares you to deal with an ever-changing work environment. If you would like guidance in choosing and learning how to use the best tool for your needs, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will develop a strategy to maximize your productivity. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.